Good morning, guys. Today I'm going to share with you about the 365 promises of God to men. Okay. Um, the first one is a promise about salvation. Uh, when you are ready to trust Christ, there is only one way to be certain that you will go to heaven instead of hell when you die. You must believe in your heart that Jesus died and rose again to save you from the consequences of your sin. And you must be willing to confess your sin to Him, as well as confess your faith to others. By taking these steps in faith, you secure your salvation and your place in eternity with God. If you confess with your mouth that Jesus is Lord and believe in your heart that God raised Him from the dead, you will be saved. For it is by believing in your heart that you are made right to God, and it is by confessing with your mouth that you are saved. It is in Book of Romans chapter 10 verse 9 and 10. Have you confessed Jesus Christ as your Lord and Savior? That is my question. God bless you guys. See you next promises of God.